My name is Keith Flamer. I cover washers and dryers here at Consumer Reports. Washers and dryers last a long time, sometimes up to 13 years, but you still need to maintain and take care of them. One of the biggest mistakes with doing laundry is using too much detergent. Over time, too much detergent can build up, causing damage to your machine and your clothes. You don't want to use regular detergent in a high-efficiency machine because that can cause too many suds, which can gum up your machine. Never overload your washer. This will help extend the life of the machine. To reduce mold and mildew in front-loading machines, regularly wipe down and clean the gasket, run the tub cleaning cycle regularly, and leave the door open between loads. You want to clean your lint filter after each load. This is very important because it will help your dryer perform better. It will also prevent buildup of lint in your vents, which can cause a fire. Cleaning the dryer vent every 3 to 6 months also helps prevent fires. Clogged dryer vents also increase drying time and energy use. If your dryer isn't drying properly, try cleaning the moisture sensor with rubbing alcohol and see if that does the trick. And don't overload your dryer. Overstuffing will cause your clothes to take longer to dry and put more stress on the machine and shorten its life. So we've got loads more data to share about washing machines, dryers, and laundry tips. Consider becoming a member for access to our expert testing.